Okay, boys and girls, we have been talking, and we talked last week. I need everybody looking this way. We talked about adding the suffix ment to words. And we talked about how a suffix, we've been talking all year long about how a suffix is a word part, Olive, added to the ending of a base word that changes the meaning of that word. Now, boys and girls, ment is a very common word ending. It's added to a lot of words. Yes?
Like disagreement?
Like disagreement, yes. And so it means the result, action, or condition. So when you add ment to a verb, you change the word into a noun. And here we have some examples. So if we have the verb agree, we can add ment to it, and then we have agreement. And so we can say it's like the act of agreement, of agreeing. The act of agreeing, that's an agreement. Here we have the verb entertain. We can add ment to it, and then we have now got a noun, and it's entertainment, the act of entertaining. We have the verb postpone. If we add ment to it, it is now the verb, or the noun postponement. And so it is the act of postponing. That's what that means now. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice taking ment, and we're going to take some verbs and we're going to change them into a noun. Presto changeo, verb into noun, and then we're going to figure out what does that noun mean. Who's ready to do that? Who's with me? Yes, thank you, Yanni. Yours was the first hand up. Good job. So, let's go here. Let's start. And so let's look at the top of our page. It's going to help us review what they mean. Who would like to read the top for me in a nice, loud teacher voice? I need a nice, loud teacher voice. Hetty, could you read in a nice, loud teacher voice?
A suffix is a word part added to the end of a base word that changes its meaning of a word. The suffix ment means result, action, or condition. When you add the suffix ment to a verb, the new word is a noun.
Very nice. Who'd like to read my directions? Olive?
I didn't get a paper.
What?
I didn't get a paper.
Oh, you didn't get a paper. Well, I guess you need one. And then you could read my directions, okay, Olive? I thought I gave you a paper. I'm gonna skip you. So Olive, read our directions.
Write the meaning of the underlined word. The first one has been done. Has been done for you.
Okay, so read number 1.
I made a commitment to my soccer team that I would try my best.
So what does commitment mean?
The act of committing.
The act of committing. So that's what that is. So you make a commitment. It is the act of committing to something. So who would like to try number 2 for me? Who'd like to try number 2? Yes. Would you like to try number 2 for me? Logan, number 2, please.
My mom offered encouragement after I lost the ball. After I lost the baseball game.
So our word with ment is what, Logan?
Encouragement.
Encouragement. And what do you think that means?
The act of encouraging.
Yes, the act of encouraging. Very good. So let's write that. The act of encouraging. The act of encouraging. Very good. Good job. Number 3, please. Libby, would you like to try number 3?
We celebrate the accomplishment of our goals.
And what is our ment word?
The act of accomplishing.
The act of accomplishing. Very good. So accomplishment is our word, and And so it means the act of accomplishing. So you are accomplishing something. So the act is when you're doing something, right? The act of doing something, the act of accomplishing. Number 4, Avery.
I experienced a lot of embarrassment when I fell down on stage.
So our underlined word is
Embarrassment.
embarrassment. That's our M-E-N-T. And so what does embarrassment mean?
The act of embarrassing.
The act of being embarrassed. Let's say that. That seems to make more sense. The act of being embarrassed. Very nice. Number 5. Oh, Anastasia, do you want to try?
The excitement in the room was high as the crowd waited for the show to begin. Excitement.
Excitement is our word. And what does excitement mean?
The act of being excited.
The act of being excited. Boys and girls, can anybody think of any other words with M-E-N-T on them? Can you think of some more M-E-N-T words? Yes, Avery? Yes, Anastasia?
Disappointment.
Disappointment? Yes.
Discouragement.
Discouragement? Yes. Can you think of another one?
Treatment.
Treatment? Yes.
Disappointment.
Yes. Good ones. Teddy? Yes, very good. So you'll probably be thinking about them all day long. They'll pop into your head. That's what happens. Good job, boys and girls. Good job. You can put a star on this and you can put it away.